Greetings and welcome back to a new episode of Saffron and Cypher's channel. Today we are back on the Chaos Theory. We have a danger pack right here. Jurassic World Chaos Theory, GUANLONG versus LYSTROSAURUS. We will be unboxing this. We will compare to the original LYSTROSAURUS from Dominion, I believe. It came with Velociraptor Beta. It came with yeah, it's a 2-pack. Okay, so we're gonna check this out. We believe this is just a repack. Now this is a new species right here from Mattel. The GUANLONG is, and we'll check it out. Alright guys, let's open it up. Let's check the back. We already have all of these. We already made it. All finished. Alright, so let's open it up. Alright, so GUANLONG. Sounds very Chinese. Okay. Okay, let's put it right there. Let's check it out. It looks like a terror bird here. Nice feathery body right there. A tail looks like another variant of a Therizinosaurus, a small one, but it has a crest, which a Therizinosaurus doesn't have it. Okay, really nice sculpt here. Okay, there's a DNA scan. There you go. Nice. Okay. So, I'm still waiting for my Beast of the Mesozoics GUANLONG. We're gonna make a review of that. So far, it hasn't shipped yet. I ordered that back in May. It's already August. I don't know what's going on with them. Okay, so here's our LYSTROSAURUS. It's a really odd-looking fella right here. There's the DNA scan. So this is the new one, and this is the older one. It's exactly the same. Yep, pretty much the same. Yeah. Yep. This one came with beta long ago. 2 years ago, I believe. Dominion came out. Alright. So here's our GUANLONG and LYSTROSAURUS. That's pretty much it for today, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Before I go, I'd like to say thank you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Thanks again, guys. Very well.